Introducing the More4Apps WIP Loader, the simple, fast way to manage work-in-progress jobs in Oracle EBS Discrete Manufacturing from a spreadsheet. With the WIP Loader, you can create and maintain discrete WIP jobs, material requirements, move transactions, and much more. Let's see it in action. Working in a spreadsheet, you log directly into Oracle with your user, password, and manufacturing responsibility. Then, harnessing all the advantages of Excel, you can prepare your WIP job information quickly and easily. You might enter it directly into the cells. You can use formulas and lookups and everything Excel has to offer. You can also reduce your keying by adding defaults which seed the sheet with the correct values automatically. Makes sense here to use unreleased for the status. Formulas work here too. This one seeds the first day of the month. You can default anything, the class, the sub-inventory, but the real-time savings happen when you use a digital source document. Here's a number of assemblies to be recorded. Using copy and paste, it's easy to transfer those details straight into the worksheet with no retyping at all. You're also free to customize your layout. You can remove columns which aren't needed, like these date columns, and move them around so you get the layout you're after. When you're ready, you can upload it all directly to Oracle, either a cursor selection or the whole sheet. The defaults drop into the sheet and the validation runs. Feedback comes straight back into the worksheet and all the valid WIP jobs are created in Oracle. Where there's a problem, clear messages explain what the problem is and it's easy to locate and correct the issue. You could copy the value down from above, but if you don't know the value, built-in forms are available which provide the Oracle validated values for each element. And then load that job up again. Now they're all done, we can refresh the upload status. Done. 20 work-in-progress jobs created in a matter of seconds. Updates are easy to do too. Using the job numbers just generated, we can use the powerful download functionality to retrieve those unreleased jobs from Oracle into the worksheet to be updated. We'll just set the status to released and re-upload them. There's a mode for material requirements too. Just select that from the ribbon. In this sheet we have a couple of unreleased jobs which we want to download. You can see all the components there, and we'll add a new component to each. Just insert a line and enter the details for the sticker we want to add. Make it a push. And then copy that down for the other job and upload them up to Oracle. There's a concurrent job to run for this import, so we'll enter in the group ID and then we can monitor the job from here. When it's finished, we refresh the sheet and we see everything is loaded. You can also delete components from the job requirements using this mode here. But let's look at move transactions next. In this sheet is a list of jobs we want move transactions on. Downloading brings in the details and the loader automatically sets the details ready for the next transaction that should take place. So you just need to specify the two-step and any amended quantities. We'll move about half for each item on each job. Then upload the records like we did before. And from then on, it's a simple concurrent job submission like before. The WIP Loader is a real game changer for data entry in Oracle EBS. Because it's More4Apps, you know it's best in class and completely configurable. It can be configured to support flex fields, and you can pre-validate with edit forms while taking advantage of copy and paste and all the nice features of Excel. The uploads use the Oracle public interfaces and seeded public APIs, respecting your Oracle support contract. If you'd like to know more about the easiest way to manage work-in-progress jobs in Oracle EBS, you'll find more information on our website. And when you're ready to discuss the benefits, let's talk.